These are the Oil Rig II frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the one singular lens. So first thing you're going to do is take the bottom part of the frame and the same side of the lens, and you're going to pull apart and push so that part of it comes out. You're going to do this same thing for the other side. And with that, the entire lens should come off. Now, to reinstall it, you're going to take the upper middle part of the lens and put it into the groove on the top of the frame. And then you're going to push it over the nose piece, and you should hear a click. Next thing you're going to do is push the other sides back in. You should hear a couple clicks, meaning that they're in place, and you push the other sides as well. And that's it.